Om Sai Ram. In today's video, I will share with you another miracle of Baba which has taken from the book Ambrosia and Shirdi Part 1. Once Sai Baba had said, I may be here in my physical body, and you may be far away beyond the seven seas, yet whatever you do, there I know instantly. Wherever you may be, when you spread your hands before me in supplication with faith and devotion, there I stand behind you day and night, as steadfast as your faith and devotion is. Baba's words are true for each and every bhakta, even now as they were then. This is such a Leela where Baba literally went beyond the seven seas to rescue a devotee. It was during World War I. Captain Jahangir F. Daruwala was at sea with his fleet of ships. To his utter dismay, he realized that all but three of his ships were hit by the enemy and were sinking fast. Soon, these three ships with the passengers and himself would meet the same fate. Being a good captain, he hoped to ferry the remaining ships to safety. He had Baba's photograph in his pocket. He promptly took it out and earnestly prayed to Baba to come to their rescue. Just as he was praying, Baba sitting in the Dwarika shouted, Hak, Hak. The devotees surrounding Baba were astonished to see Baba completely drenched from head to toe. The water flowed in torrents and the Dwarika soon became a pool of water. The devotees simply removed buckets and buckets of water from the Dwarika for about an hour. Then they gave Baba dry clothes to wear. As Baba was silent about the cause of his being drenched, one of the devotees drank the water as tirath and found it extremely salty. He wondered at that but kept quiet. Simultaneously at sea, Captain Daruwala saw Baba in person pull and tow his ships to safety. On the third day after this incident, Baba received a telegram from the captain thanking him for the rescue operation. Immediately on his return, he came to Shirdi and fell at Baba's feet. He thanked Baba for answering his prayers so swiftly and saving the lives of his crew and the passengers. Captain Daruwala was an ardent devotee and he took a great deal of interest in Baba's affairs. He donated rupees 2200 in 2 installments for the repair of the Sabha Mandap as a small thank you gesture. This Leela has taken from the book Ambrosia in Shirdi Part 1, Baba's Leelas before 1918. May Sai bless all of us. Om Sai Ram.